Grüezi miteinander. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland will take a sweet turn and show you how to make dorayaki with homemade Anko paste. If you are a die-hard weeble, you definitely have heard of Doraemon or his favorite snack, dorayaki. This is a popular Japanese treat, traditionally served with red bean paste or in Japanese, Anko paste. Today, not only are we going to show you how to make dorayaki and the Anko paste all from scratch, we'll also show you how to make a non-traditional version with custard and matcha cream filling. Just follow us to the kitchen and you'll see why this is Doraemon's favorite treat. We'll begin with the Anko paste because this takes the longest. First, let's rinse 400 grams of Japanese red beans or azuki beans. Gotta keep your beans clean. After rinsing, add the beans into a pot with some water so it covers the bean by about 4 centimeters. Over medium-high heat, cook the beans until boiling. Once boiled, drain and return them to the pot. Add water again to the same height as before. Once again, cook them over medium-high heat. Once they're boiled, cover with a lid and turn down the heat to medium-low. Keep them simmering for the next an hour and a half. While they're cooking, remember to check the water level and add more water as necessary. The beans should always be covered with water. Let your beans do their cooking. We'll make the custard in the meantime. In a pot, crack 4 egg yolks. Add in there 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 330 grams of milk, and 4 tablespoons of vanilla sugar. If you don't have any vanilla sugar, you can adjust the recipe to 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. On low heat, stir everything together continuously until it becomes lumpy. Once you start seeing many lumps, stir quickly for 20 seconds, then turn off the stove. Keep stirring quickly until your custard becomes smooth. Then you can take it off the heat, let it cool and refrigerate it. We'll split our custard into 2 halves, and we use one to make matcha custard. For the matcha custard, melt 10 grams of butter on low heat. After your butter has melted, add 3 grams of matcha powder and stir till there's no more lump. Next, pour your matcha butter into a halved custard portion and mix well until your custard turns a beautiful, even green color. Keep your custard in the fridge so they are nice and cold. We'll now make our dorayaki. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of honey until everything is incorporated and fluffy. Sieve in there 100 grams of flour, 60 grams of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything until they're well combined. Refrigerate the batter for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take your batter out and check for consistency. It should be pancake batter consistency. If it's too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water until it reaches the desired consistency. Now let's fry them. Have your pan on medium-low heat. Coat your pan with 1 teaspoon of oil. Wait until the oil is hot. Then use a paper towel to wipe the oil off. Pour 2 tablespoons of batter into your pan so it forms a beautiful circle. Let your batter cook until you see bubbles starting to form all over the surface. Once you start seeing bubbles forming evenly across the surface, immediately flip your dorayaki. The color should be brown to dark brown. We want that beautiful color. Cook the other side for about 30 seconds and your dorayaki should be ready. Repeat the process until you run out of batter to fry. Now, it's time to check on your red beans. Smash a bean between your fingers. Be careful, it's hot, hot, hot. Like your crush. If the bean, not your crush, is easily smashable, then they're good. Drain the bean, but remember to save about 3 to 4 tablespoons of bean water. Pour all the cooked beans in a food processor and grind them into a paste. Add a couple of tablespoons of bean water for easier grinding if necessary. Once all the beans are ground into a paste, transfer it into the pot. On medium-low heat, add 150 grams of sugar and mix until the sugar dissolves. Then add another 150 grams of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Keep on mixing continuously until you can draw a line on the bottom of the pot with your spatula. Once you reach that point, your Anko paste is done. Turn off the heat and remove the pot. Transfer the Anko paste to a baking sheet and spread it out so it can cool quickly. Once it is cooled, you can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Or you can put it in the freezer and store it for even longer. To assemble your dorayaki, simply spread the Anko paste or custard on the one side of your pancake and sandwich it with another pancake. You can even wrap it in plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for later. But who am I kidding? It's dorayaki. They'll be gone in one single sitting. And there you have it. You've made your own dorayaki from scratch. Try bringing them to your next office party. I guarantee you become the most popular colleague in the office instantly. And if that's the case, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more recipes to keep your colleagues or maybe even your crush being in love with you. Now all that's left is ăn quét ta, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and again.